Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Having uploaded YouTube shorts without showing their faces, this channel earns $24,000 a month. Yes, you could do this from anywhere in the world, without any equipment or experience, and from the comfort of your home. In fact, you can see that this channel makes $12,400 per month by looking right here. In order to make an additional $148,500 per year, you need to ask yourself what you would do with $148,500. Leave a comment below. You'll be able to see that this channel receives 94,598 views a day and 1,000 new subscribers every other day, and I will show you where it gets them. My video will show you how to copy a website step by step without any upfront work on your part. Once you get the hang of it, you can earn tons of passive cash flow every month by simply copying and pasting YouTube shorts. It is completely hands-off once you get the hang of it, and once you do, you never have to film, edit, script, or even show your face. Here is step number 1, market research. To find a profitable niche, we need to search for hashtag shorts, as you can see at the top of this page. This will bring you to this page here where you'll see this little button hashtag shorts. If you click on that button, it'll open the shorts shelf, which holds all of the short videos that have ever been uploaded to YouTube. As you can see, 566 million videos have been uploaded to YouTube to date. There are 31 million channels on YouTube, and I believe by the end of the year, there will be over 1 billion videos, so it's still very early in the game. As you scroll through, you'll see a lot of short videos that don't show their face. Some of them aren't even filming anything. They're just like a video game or animation. This category is dedicated to food, while others showcase animations, memes, video games, and shows. No filming or editing is involved in some of them. By scrolling through, I discovered some obscure niches that are gaining millions of views. These niches do not feature any identifiable individuals. To earn revenue from YouTube Shorts, being in a high CPM or profitable niche is not necessary. What matters most is finding a niche with high views that will generate profitability. Therefore, I conducted research on your behalf to identify such niches. Views count more when it comes to earning with YouTube Shorts. To find a specific anime shorts video, you need to type in the hashtag shorts plus anime. This will bring you to a video featuring a particular anime show. A prime example is a video from Turtle Quirk channel, which was posted 1 month ago and already garnered 513,000 views. They are discussing a specific anime show that has gained significant popularity. You don't need to be a fan of anime to benefit from this niche. Attack on Titan is an immensely popular anime show, and we can examine how channels are utilizing it to their advantage. One such channel, for instance, only provides commentary on anime clips directly from the show without showing their face. They are making a significant amount of money through this approach. They have long-form videos and shorts that receive high views, ranging from 22,000 to 47,000. One of their most popular shorts has amassed 1 million views. Socialblade.com can provide a rough estimate of their earnings. Based on their view counts from shorts and long-form videos, they are earning around $12.40 per month or $148,000 per year. This serves as an example of a lucrative channel that we can emulate. Next, we will move on to step 2, which is identifying the content we can produce to replicate their success. Moving on to step 2, I can guide you on where to find suitable content. Firstly, we will search for Attack on Titan on TikTok instead of a generic anime search. This will lead us to prominent team pages dedicated to Attack on Titan, such as the Attack on Titan Zero anime page with 135,600 followers, which features a wealth of Attack on Titan memes. We need to select the most suitable video from the page, which will feature clips from the Attack on Titan show. The page Attack on Titan 96 has 353,000 followers and 44 million likes, with videos garnering 94,000 to 567,000 views. We will select the most popular video in recent weeks, which has amassed 1.1 million views, and use it as a model for our content since it has already proven to be successful and has the potential to go viral. The video we selected is not their original content, nor is it ours, which makes it ideal for us to use. We can easily add our commentary to make it copyright-free. Since the channel on YouTube is only doing commentary, the content is considered transformative, which is copyright-free. So we will click on the video, and now we have it. Step 3 involves removing the TikTok watermark from the video. Having the watermark on the video is not ideal when uploading to YouTube. To remove the watermark, we need to click on the share button and then copy the link. Moving on to step 3, we will use a software to remove the watermark from the video. Simply paste the copied link into the software, press the green button, then download the video to your computer using the blue button. Now we can proceed to step 4, which is video editing. The next step is to edit the video and add commentary. No need to have any editing skills since there is a free software that can do it for you, which is canva.com. We will search for the mobile video theme and create a blank mobile video. Then, we will drag the downloaded video into Canva's editing tool. The next step is to add the video to Canva and make some basic adjustments such as increasing its size and adding boxes. This process is simple and does not require much effort or time. It's important to note that this is not considered editing as it's just a matter of clicking some buttons to make basic adjustments. The next step is to add some basic text and design to the video using the Canva editing software. It doesn't require much creativity or effort, just some basic button clicking. The process involves resizing and duplicating boxes and adding text using a simple color change feature. We'll click on the text button and type this anime clip and drag it to the top, then add another text and type comment your rating 1 through 10 in black color and drag it to the bottom. That's all we have to do, and we have our edited video with added text. The purpose of this commentary is to engage viewers with the video. By asking them to rate the video and comment with their rating, they become more involved in the content. This also allows the video to play on a loop in the background while viewers are engaged with the comment section. We just need to hit the share button and download the video to our computer, which will help increase the average view duration to over 100 because people will watch more than 100 seconds. Then we can upload the edited video to YouTube, titled as Attack on Titan Anime Shorts. We will copy the text and paste it into the description box to improve search engine optimization and increase the video's visibility. Additionally, we'll add relevant tags such as Attack on Titan to further enhance its ranking. By doing this, our video will be more easily discovered by those who search for Attack on Titan content, particularly Attack on Titan shorts. To expand the video description, more tags can be added up to 500 characters. Another tutorial is linked for further learning and exploration. Thank you and take care.